drywall sagging or bowing can totally mess up the look of your walls and make your whole room feel off. So fixing it fast is key if you want your space to look sharp. Okay, so first off, check the framing behind the drywall, because if the studs or support beams are weak or spaced wrong, that's usually why the drywall starts to sag. You want to use a level to see if the framing is straight, and then add some extra wood supports if it's not holding up well. Next, look closely at the drywall itself. If it's water damaged or super old, just replace those sheets completely instead of patching, because that sag won't go away otherwise. When you install new drywall, screw it in tightly, but don't overdo it, or you could crack the surface. Use drywall tape and joint compound smoothly to cover seams and screws so everything looks nice and even. If you're dealing with big gaps, consider using backing strips along the edges so the new drywall has something solid to grip onto. Don't forget to sand everything lightly after it dries for a clean finish before painting. And finally, keep an eye on humidity levels inside your home, because moisture can cause drywall to bow again if you're not careful. One of the biggest mistakes people make with drywall sagging or bowing is ignoring the framing issues and just trying to patch the surface, which won't last long and can actually make things worse. Another common problem is using cheap or damaged drywall sheets when replacing, so always pick good quality materials designed for durability. Lastly, skipping proper fastening techniques like not using enough screws or not securing them right can lead to sagging again, so make sure every sheet is firmly attached and seams are properly sealed with tape and compound. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to fixing drywall problems and other home repairs. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to connect with people looking for your skills and get more work lined up effortlessly.